Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching The Glam Belle, and today I'm here with a super fun video for you. Today's gonna be all about wigs. This wig in particular, the one that I am wearing right now, which y'all, oh my god, I'm feeling myself. I can't wait to tell you about it. I'm gonna show you exactly how I apply it, how I put it on, how I style it, all of that jazz. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my background with wigs. So if you're interested in finding out how I got this look with this wig without damaging my hair, then definitely keep watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave if you enjoy this video. I upload every single week on my channel, so you don't want to miss any more uploads. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Let me start off by telling you that I am no stranger to wigs. I know you guys haven't really seen me wear many, probably in a few like early tutorials on my channel where I did like Halloween type of stuff, which I don't really do anymore because that is not my jam. I stay in my lane. On the daily, like I don't really wear wigs. You don't really see me wearing wigs, but that is because I haven't had a really good wig in a very, very long time. Back in the day, I used to rock wigs every single day. Like I had a collection of them that I bought at my local beauty supply store. They were really cheap. They were synthetic, like not real hair. I couldn't use heat tools on them or anything like that. But y'all, I loved to change up my hair so much. I always wanted change when it came to my hair, which is why I got into cosmetology school and I started coloring my hair at a very early age. I just always loved to change up my hair. When I discovered wigs, I fell in love very, very quickly because obviously I was able to change up my look anytime I wanted without damaging my hair. I had so many different styles. Y'all, I worked a corporate job, 9-to-5 type of job. I would come into work and people wouldn't even know who I was because some days I would come in with like super, super short wigs. I loved anything that was different. When Uniwigs reached out to me and wanted to see if I wanted to try out one of their wigs and give you guys kind of the lowdown on it, I was stoked. I've seen their wigs so much on Instagram and social media and they always look so beautiful. I want to try pink and I really want to try like the turquoise. I think that they would be beautiful. To start out, I decided to go for something that I knew I would wear a lot. This is something that I could throw on for a video or, throw on for an event or something like that. It blends well with my natural hair, and yeah, I love the blonde. I think it just looks so natural. These wigs are not cheap, but these wigs are made with completely all real human hair, so you can do whatever you normally do with your own hair. You can curl it, you can flat iron it, you can wash it, dry it, do whatever you want with it to style it, and it's not gonna damage the hair. I'm telling you, definitely by far the best wig that I have ever owned. No one would know that this is a wig. I mean, in my opinion, I don't think anybody would know that this is a wig. This is actually a 20-inch wig, glueless full lace cap, so there's no need for glue. It does come with straps that you can sew in to keep it really secure around the back of your head. If you're wearing it for a really long period of time, that's probably a good idea, but it does have clips throughout to really secure it and hold it in place, so I don't feel like I'm gonna need the strap. It is made with 100% Remy human hair, so you can style it and restyle it as much as you want. I will have a 10% off discount code in the description box, so make sure to look for that. I'm gonna show you exactly how I styled my wig, how I apply it. It seems kind of overwhelming if you've never put on a wig before. It seems like, oh my god, I don't know how to get this to look not like a wig because the goal is to make it look like your hair, right? It just takes a little bit of practice and it's really not that difficult. I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this look and how I applied my wig right now. Okay, now that I am looking like a crazy bald eagle, I'm gonna show you exactly what this looks like on the inside. This wig is so well made. This is what it looks like up close. Here is the seam. I did have to do a little bit of plucking on the seam to make it look a little more realistic, and actually I probably need to go in and do some more plucking, but it is time consuming, so I just wanted to get this video up for y'all first. There was lace right around the front, which you cut once you get it and put it on your head. You cut it to fit your head. Here is the inside. There is 2 clips right here. There are 2 little clips on the side, and then there is 1 clip at the base. It does come with a strap that you can sew in to kind of secure it around the base of your neck. This wig did come with a wig brush. It is designed a little bit different. It has these little loops so that you don't mess up your wig. Here's what it looks like. It's so pretty. I did get the one that has the darker roots and it fades into the blonde, and the reason I did that was so that I would be able to use a little bit of my own hair and blend it in towards the front, because when you can blend in your own natural hair with it a little bit, it definitely makes it look a lot more natural. If you have really, really thick hair, you're gonna want to braid your hair and pin it all down to your scalp. Since my hair is not very thick, I mean it's curly, but it's really not very thick, I just split it in half and did 2 small buns and pinned it up against the back of my hair so that it is as flat as I could possibly get it. And I went ahead and pulled a little bit of hair right out in the front. Because my hair is naturally curly, all I did was wet these pieces, and then I used a round brush and just blew these pieces out so that it would be smooth to obviously blend in with the straight wig. You want to part your hair wherever the part is on your wig. So if it's a side part, you want to part your hair to the side. This one is a middle part, so I'm parting my hair in the middle. I put my thumb right where that part is, and so that way I can guide that to the front of my hair, and then I just pull the wig back over top of my head and secure the back clip first. I'm gonna put it right above where I pulled the little pieces out in front. So we're gonna start here and then securing that back clip. Then we're gonna pull this. I'm gonna make sure that these pieces are not getting caught up in it. And then still holding on to this, I'm going to find those front clips and clip that in place so that it's nice and secure. You have those little clips on the side that you can clip in. You can style your wig as you want. So I started off with just making sure that everything was nice and detangled. All I did was take my curling wand. This is by Remy, and I think it's like a 1.5 inch curling wand. I separated my hair into 2 sections and just took pieces and just wrapped it around. Just wrapping it so that there's a few inches left at the bottom, and then I would let it go. And that is how I curled my hair all over. I did all the curls away from my face. It gives it this nice, like, messy, beachy wave, like effortless look. When I get to the front, of course, I will take a little bit of the wig and a little bit of my own hair and curl those together with the wand. Just curl those together so that it obviously blends well. You can totally leave it down and, you know, rock it out like this, like so pretty, you guys. Oh my god. You're going to see a little bit of like the nude cap underneath, along with a little bit of your scalp if you're parting your hair. What I like to do is use a little bit of powder to blend all of that in. This is the Color Wow powder. It is so dirty because I use it all the time on my gray hair. This is what it looks like. I have the color dark brown. Take a little bit of this powder and then just go right along that cap and then right along my hairline. That way it all blends seamlessly, because the goal is to have it look as real as possible. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. I just think it is so gorgeous. What I did to style my hair, like you saw in the beginning of the video, I just took one side where obviously I've got my hair in the front, and I just pulled a little bit of it back, twisted it back in with the wig, bobby pin, and I take the bobby pin and I pull it through and then flip it around. And because I'm just extra, I wanted to put a little flower in my hair, so I have this, which is so old. I just put this right here. Oh my gosh. And there we have it. You guys, this is so cute. New hair, no damage. I could be deep conditioning my hair underneath of this. You can also use a wig cap. You can put it over top of your hair before you put the wig on. I like it without it, but it does come with one, so if you need that to put your wig on, you can absolutely do that. What do we think? What do we think about this wig? Because I'm obsessed with it. Now I just need the pink one, the turquoise one, maybe a short blonde one. I just want all of them now. If you have any questions on how I applied this or anything like that, definitely ask me questions in the comments. I will be happy to answer you, but this is my new wig from Uniwigs, and I'm obsessed with it. Now I've got blonde in my hair, and I didn't have to use bleach, so my hair is good to go. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Definitely let me know what you think about it below, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.